Hey friends, it has been a long time since you have seen me in your subscription feed. It's been almost a year since I filmed a YouTube video and uploaded it. I filmed a few after, but I never uploaded them just because I did not like the way they turned out. But it's been a while, it's been a crazy year, and I'll fill you in on my next video. It'll be a life update video, letting you know all the changes and everything that happened and why I stopped filming and everything that you probably don't really care to know about, but I want to tell you anyway, just because I feel like I should. But yeah, today we are doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. This just arrived today. It is my first Stitch Fix in a little over a year, just because it is a little bit pricier and I didn't have extra money paying daycare. So I was sent an email and they said it would waive a $20 styling fee. So I got this box for free, which is a good thing because I get clothes without having to pay $20 and having that risk of not liking anything, but then also I don't have that $20 to go towards another purchase. So if you haven't heard of Stitch Fix, it is a $20 styling fee, and you can get it weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. I think like every 3 months is another option. Basically, you pick whenever you want to get this. It is a subscription service, and you pay $20. They send you a box of 5 items, and then you pay for what you keep and you send the rest back. And if you buy all 5, you do get a 25% off discount, which is great. And let's just get into this box. I'll leave my link below if you want to sign up. I think you get $25 and I also get $25 to spend towards our next fix. So please use my link. I would be so grateful if I got credit. I am just a stay-at-home mom, so we're on a 1 income, and so it would be really nice to have maybe an item or 2 for free. So let's get in. It does come with the prepaid mailer bag. Anything that you don't want, you just stick it right back in this bag and you drop it off at your post office. It's really simple and it's really nice to have. And then if you keep everything, just keep the bag and you can put a new label on it, and you don't have to pay for a mailer to send it anywhere. So we'll keep that off to the side because I'm sure I won't be keeping everything. It's just too expensive. So this is the envelope. It has your stylist note and then the price sheet in here, and then it also has it says give you a Stitch Fix gift card because it is the holiday season. So first we'll read my stylist note if I can find it without looking at this. Okay. It says, "Hi Samantha, happy fix day. I had so much fun styling for you today. Thank you for giving us another try. I enjoyed getting to know your style and fashion needs a little bit better through our recent email conversation, and I thank you for giving me more insight into what you're looking for. I wasn't able to locate a pair of Chelsea boots or an animal print skirt at this time around, but I can always look again. As soon as I saw this super soft, comfortable, chunky sweater by Pink Clover, I knew you had to try it. Pair this cardigan with a simple tee and the high-rise skinny jeans by STS Blue. We don't have many on-trend pieces that are nursing-friendly. Our nursing-friendly tops are almost exclusively plaid button-downs. The V-neck style of the mix hoodie will hopefully allow you to pull it down to nurse. Have fun and enjoy. Cheers, Sabrina." So Sabrina was my stylist. So I did forget that I asked for a pair of Chelsea boots and an animal print skirt. I did this a few weeks ago, so I can't exactly remember what I even picked, but oh well. So we will open up the bundle and see what that looks like. You're seeing it before me because I have it in the viewfinder. I don't know what it is, but here it is. So, ooh, I love the colors and the mixes of everything we're seeing. I see an animal print something here, and then this nice burgundy color is really catching my eye. I also like the color of this. I wonder what this is. Some sort of jacket, I assume. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on into it. So these are always packaged really nicely, all bundled up. Alright. It's so thick. I've never had one this thick. Okay, so this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Kallon brush knit hoodie in burgundy in a size small. So it's just like a nice little lightweight, it's a hoodie, but it's more like a long sleeve shirt. It has stripe detail on this side and has cuff sleeves, and it does have a hood and little black strings. So this isn't necessarily my style, but it is really nice and soft. So we will see about that in the try on. Okay, next is this Pink Clover Hunter two-tone knit top, light gray and a size small as well. This is also really, really soft. I think I had a Pink Clover top in another one of my fixes, or it might have been in a fashion box, but they're very, very soft. This, again, isn't necessarily my style, but it is pretty cute. It looks just really nice and simple, and if you pair it with like a red thing for the holidays, it'd be really cute. And then I have this Market and Spruce. I already know this is going to be expensive because it's Market and Spruce. Kendari Faux Suede jacket in taupe, size small. I feel like I was sent a jacket very, very similar to this, but it was in a black color in my last Stitch Fix, and I sent it back because it was like $99 or something. But this feels really nice and soft and lightweight. It also has this cool, I don't think you'll be able to tell, but the fabric has like little, it's like perforated little holes. I don't really know how to describe that, but it's just a really nice faux suede jacket, which I think I did have in my requests. Okay, so my card stopped recording, and then Sophia messed with my camera settings a little bit, so I think I'm a little bit more zoomed out than what I was, and the camera angle might be different because I had to move everything around. But anyways, let's continue. So I was on this. This is the Pink Clover Rosaleen double pocket open cardigan in dark gray, size small. This one isn't as soft as the other ones. It feels a little bit kind of like wool, a wool material, but I don't think it is wool. I don't know where the tag is. It's 100% acrylic, but it feels kind of like a wool type material. It's just a gray cheetah print. Nice open cardigan. This would look really cute with just a simple tee. And then the last thing are the jeans that she was talking about. They're the STS Blue Ellie Ankle Skinny 10-inch high rise. And these are the color Indigo in a size 4. So I don't know if these will fit me or not. Oh, they do have a raw hem on them, if you can see that. I don't know if these will fit me or not. They look bigger actually than my other size 4s that I have. There's a little string. There's a little bit of like distressing on the pockets. But other than that, they're just a nice, simple, dark, skinny jean with a raw edge. I do like that. So we will have to try those on with all of our tops. So I do like everything that I have my fix pretty much. The two tops that I first showed are something that aren't really my style, but they might look cute on because I have been surprised in the past with things. So we will go ahead and get on into the try-on portion. And then I'll give you my afterthoughts and the prices of everything at the end. Here is that first top. So it is a v-neck. I didn't realize it was such a low v-neck. I think this was the top she was talking about nursing in. And I definitely could like pull it down because there is the hood to give it a little bit more room. And it's really nice and soft, but this just isn't really my style. The sleeves are nice and long though, which I do like that. But it's just nice. There is like a seam down the back. And then the hood, of course. Although I don't think you would ever actually wear the hood, or at least I wouldn't. It's not really my style to wear the hood with it, but I mean, if you wanted to, you could. Sorry, I'm also looking in the viewfinder over here, just to see. But it is a, I think it's called like a dolphin hem. Whenever it's long in the front, long in the back, then there's a cut up on the side. But yeah, this top does have pockets. It's just not really my style, but it is really soft and comfy. So here is the next top, the striped top, which I didn't realize this kind of hit kind of in a weird spot. The sleeves are a nice length, but it just makes me look like I'm wearing like a short sleeve shirt over a long sleeve shirt. If I did wear this, I would probably do the whole French tuck thing where you tuck it in the front or on the side, just because I think it looks a little cuter that way. But here's the back. Here's the back untucked. It's really soft again, just not really my style. Okay, so for the next two, I'm just going to have on a black tank with this. Here's that Market and Spruce faux suede jacket. I really, really like this. It's actually pretty heavy on. Like, I think it would actually keep me warm. It has zippers for the pockets, if I could get them down. And the sleeves are, like, kind of short. If I move my arms, they do come up. But I do really like this color. I don't have a jacket this color. And if you do zip it up, it is kind of asymmetrical of a zipper, which I don't really like in a moto jacket because when you zip it up, it looks just kind of weird in my opinion. But it does have a zipper. That's the wrong zipper. Has a zipper on the chest and zippers on the sleeves. But I would just wear it open probably. More of a fall jacket. But I don't know if you'll be able to tell the detail on the back or not. when it's on. But it is really cute. It also has the shoulder snaps, which most like leather jackets, moto jackets do have. So this is really cute. I'm just afraid to see the price tag because I probably won't get it because of that. Here's the last of the tops. So this cardigan is a lot cuter on than what I thought just sitting there. And it is softer on than what you feel whenever you're just holding it. But it's just a simple cardigan. Has 2 big pockets here. Comes about mid-thigh. It's just really simple. And you could pair it with really any color. Like I think you could add a pop of color to this and be cute. I just have it paired with black because that was the easiest tank to put on. But it's super cute, and I'll have to see the price of this to see if I want to keep it. So I put my sweater back on to show you these jeans, kind of tuck them in. So these are size 4, and like I said, they'd probably be a little tight on me just because I'm still losing some of my postpartum weight. But I can see I have a little bit of fat hanging off the top. But I think these are definitely true to size in a size 4. There really is no stretch in these jeans, which I don't mind. I'm kind of off the whole jegging trend. I prefer just normal denim. But I love the wash of these, and I just like how simple they are, but they have a little raw hem at the end. And here's the back. So I definitely would have to lose a little bit of weight to fit into these perfectly. But they're super comfortable, and I do really like these. But I think that they'll probably be out of my price range right now for jeans. But this would be a great staple to have. Alright guys, so I just tried everything on, and this is the part where you crush all your hopes and dreams and read the price sheet. So let me find it somewhere in this box that I put all the clothes. So we'll break down each item. We'll go backwards just because that's how everything's in the box. So these STS Blue Ellie skinny high-rise jeans in Indigo, size 4, they're $49, which honestly, this is a fine price for jeans. Everybody is crying. We're going crazy. Which this is a fine price for jeans. I pay around that much for cans, which I really like. So this is a fair price for jeans. I'm not mad about that. I just don't know if I'll get them or not. Next is the Pink Clover Rosaleen double pocket open cardigan in dark gray, size small. This is $54. I'm like hiding the cheetah print. $54 for a cardigan isn't terrible, but I'm not going to pay that for something that I just like. I don't love the cardigan. And next, the thing that I like the most is, of course, the most expensive thing, which I did expect because it is marketed in Spruce, and that tends to be a pricier. Sophia, please. I don't know why you're trying to but marketed in Spruce tends to be a pricier brand, so I expected that, but it is really nice quality. But this jacket, the Market & Spruce Kendari Faux Suede jacket in taupe, is $88. I don't know why moto jackets are so expensive, because the last one I got in my Stitch Fix box was $99, and this one is $88. Too expensive for me. I don't have the funds to do that. And then next is the Pink Clover 100 two-tone top in light gray. This is... Okay, my card went full again. So as I was talking about, the Pink Clover 100 two-tone top in light gray, size small, is $40. And I just don't really want to pay that for a shirt that I'm not crazy about, but it is super soft. And the last item is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorn Kallon brush knit hoodie. Burgundy, size small, so it was this top, and it is $38, which is the lowest priced item in my box, and it's my least favorite item in the box, unfortunately. That tends to be how it works, so doesn't it? So I don't know if I'm going to be keeping anything. I wish I had the money to keep the Market & Spruce jacket, because I really like that jacket, but the only thing that's practical for me to keep would be the skinny jean, but I think I might pass on those. So altogether, my total was $269, and then if I did the buy all 5, I get the 25% off discount, which is $67.25. So my total would be $201.75. For 5 items, that's pretty freaking expensive. But I don't think I'm going to keep anything just because I didn't have the $20 to help me out. But if I did, then my total would be, what, $181.75 for 5 items. So that does help you out there. You get the $20 to go towards everything, but I think I'm just gonna send everything back this time just because Black Friday's this week and I know we're gonna do some shopping there. But I will do another one of these, and hopefully the pics are a little cheaper, and we will go from there. So thank you guys for watching so much. I'm so sorry that it took me so long to film, but I'm going to get back on schedule now that I'm starting to get a routine and life's getting back to normal. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. But hold on, I have a surprise. If you don't follow me on social media, you wouldn't know that we have a little brand new addition to our family. Neil Everett Sexton. He was born on October 14th. This was part of the reason why I didn't come back for so long, but I also have other reasons, which I'll talk to you. I'm going to do a get ready with me in my next video and kind of update you on everything. But this is little Neil, little cutie. But he's getting hungry, and we're going to go. I just had to show you guys him before we move on with our day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. I will leave all the items down below the description. If you have a Stitch Fix or you want to try Stitch Fix and you liked any of these items, I'll leave them below in the description. And please use my link so I can get some credit and purchase things. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! Now I have to go see what the heck Sophia's up to. Can't trust a quiet 2-year-old.